a budget controller that's bringing premium features at an entry-level price. If you're looking for an affordable gaming controller with Hall effect joysticks, multi-platform support, and a few surprises, the GameSir Nova Lite might just be the one for you. On first impressions, the Nova Lite looks clean and simple, with two color options, stellar white and space purple. It's got textured grips, a comfortable ergonomic design, and surprisingly good build quality for something priced at $25. And yes, it's lightweight at just 205 grams, making it easy to hold for long gaming sessions without hand fatigue. So what do you get in the GameSir Nova Lite for the price? Hall effect joysticks for no stick drift, better durability, and smoother inputs. These types of sticks are found in more expensive controllers, so seeing them in a budget-friendly option is a huge win. You've also got analog triggers for precise control in racing and shooting games, and a multifunction M button that lets you tweak settings like vibration intensity and ABXY layout adjustments on the fly. The controller also has a turbo function if you're the kind of person who likes to spam buttons with minimal effort. The Nova Lite is a tri-mode controller, meaning it supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless with a dongle, and wired USB. You can use it on PC, Steam Deck, Nintendo Switch, Android, and iOS. That's right, full Bluetooth support on iOS and Switch, something the 8BitDo Ultimate 2C lacks. If you like gaming across multiple platforms, this thing covers all the bases. Speaking of 8BitDo's Ultimate 2C, it's an interesting comparison. The Ultimate 2C costs a bit more at $30, but it brings Hall effect triggers, a 1000 mAh battery that lasts up to 20 hours, and remappable bumpers L4R4. However, it lacks true Bluetooth support outside of Android, meaning if you're using iOS or Switch, the GameSir Nova Lite takes the win in compatibility. Let's talk about the D-pad. The Nova Lite's D-pad is a traditional rubber membrane design, making it reliable for both retro and modern games. The face buttons on the GameSir Nova Lite are matte and slightly textured, with a nice feel to them. No mushiness here. Triggers are analog and return quickly, making them decent for racing and FPS games. There are no extra programmable buttons, unlike the Ultimate 2C, which has L4R4 bumpers that can be remapped. Despite being cheaper than the Ultimate 2C, the Nova Lite actually includes a hard shell carrying case and a dedicated slot for the wireless dongle. The GameSir Nova Lite is an easy recommendation for anyone looking for an affordable yet feature-packed controller. However, it's not perfect. Battery life could be better, especially if you keep the vibration and RGB on. It's decent, but you'll need to charge it more often compared to other controllers in this range. The D-pad is serviceable, but for precise inputs, especially in 2D fighters or platformers, there are better options. The triggers, while smooth, lack the resistance some players prefer. When stacked against the 8BitDo Ultimate 2C, the Nova Lite has a clear advantage in its Hall effect sticks, but the Ultimate 2C wins in terms of overall comfort and software customization. The GameSir Connect app is fine, but it lacks the depth of 8BitDo's software. At the end of the day, the GameSir Nova Lite is a fantastic budget controller with premium features. But if you want more customization and slightly better ergonomics, the 8BitDo Ultimate 2C might be the safer bet. If you just need a reliable no-drift controller with solid wireless performance, this one's hard to beat for the price.